This is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. So big that it could fit more than 1,300 Earths inside. But do you know what NASA has just discovered about this gas giant? Something that has blown the minds of scientists. This is Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. From above, it looks exactly like a frozen ball of ice. But NASA scientists say that a whole ocean is hidden beneath this icy surface. And do you know what the craziest part is? The amount of water in this ocean could be twice the amount of water in all of Earth's oceans combined. When I first learned about this, I was like, what? So much water on a tiny moon. But that's the beauty of science. This is 2011. NASA launched a spacecraft called Juno. Now, this wasn't just any ordinary spacecraft. It was built to unravel Jupiter's deepest secrets. After a 5-year journey, in 2016, when it reached Jupiter's orbit, since then, it has been sending back data that has left scientists stunned. The first discovery: Jupiter's poles. Now, we've always seen Jupiter from the side, right? Its famous stripes. But for the first time, Juno sent back close-up images of Jupiter's north and south poles. And just look at these images. Look at Jupiter's North Pole. It looks just like a painting, doesn't it? But this isn't a painting. This is a real image. Look at these blue and white swirls. These are cyclones, like hurricanes. But do you know how big they are? Each cyclone is as big as the entire Earth. And do you know what the most interesting thing is? At the North Pole, there are 8 cyclones arranged in a perfect octagon shape. A large cyclone in the middle, and 8 smaller cyclones surrounding it, like a natural geometry class in progress. At the South Pole, there are 5 cyclones in a pentagon shape. Now just think about it. Hurricanes come and go on Earth, but on Jupiter, these cyclones have been rotating in this position for years. They don't collide or merge, maintaining a perfect formation. Scientists still haven't figured out how they are so stable. Is some unseen force holding them in place? Or is there something inside Jupiter that is balancing them? And this is where another mind-blowing discovery begins. What's inside Jupiter? See, Jupiter is a gas giant. That means it has no solid surface. It's entirely made of gas and liquid. But the question was, does it have a core at its center? A solid center? Scientists believed that, yes, there should be one, a small rocky core. But the data sent by Juno revealed that Jupiter does have a core. But it's not small at all. This core is 10 times more massive than Earth. And do you know what the craziest part is? This core isn't completely solid. It's fuzzy. That means it's a mixture of heavy elements mixed with liquid hydrogen, as if someone had stirred everything inside Jupiter with a giant spoon. Now, this raises a huge question. If Jupiter's core is so strange, then are our theories about the formation of our solar system wrong? See, until now, we thought that planets form gradually. First, a small rocky core forms, and then gas accumulates on top of it. But Jupiter's fuzzy core suggests that perhaps something else happened. Perhaps a major impact occurred after Jupiter's formation. A very large protoplanet collided with Jupiter, and that collision caused the core to shatter and mix. Billions of years ago, our solar system was a war zone. Planets were colliding with each other. Giants like Jupiter were forming and wreaking havoc. And this very destruction may have been the reason for the beginning of life. How? Let's talk about the third major discovery: water on Jupiter's moons. Now, Jupiter has more than 95 moons, but 4 moons are very special: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. These are called the Galilean moons because they were discovered by Galileo. And the most interesting of these 4 is Europa. Look at Europa's surface. It looks exactly like cracked ice, doesn't it? Like someone broke a plate of ice. And that's exactly what it is. Europa's surface is a 15 to 25 kilometer thick layer of ice. This heat keeps Europa's underground ocean liquid. Now, do you know what the most exciting thing here is? Wherever there is water, there is life. Even in the deepest parts of our oceans, where sunlight doesn't reach, there is life. Bacteria, fish, and strange creatures near hydrothermal vents. So, could there be life in Europa's underground ocean? NASA scientists say it's possible. And that's why NASA is currently planning a new mission called Europa Clipper. It will launch in 2024 and reach Europa by 2030. Its job will be to study Europa's surface.